there's no power. So as I open the vacuum front panel, so this is the components, the vacuum motor. So the switch is in good condition. So next, step 2, test the fuse. So there's a long beef of digital tester, so it means there is a continuity. So the fuse is in good condition. Next. Let's test the AC plug wire, the live wire connected to the switch, and then to the fuse, and then it's connected to the motor. So the brown live wire connected to the motor is good. Then test the blue wire connected to the motor from AC plug. This is the neutral. So let's test. Then there is no continuity, there is no reading, there is no beep. So it means the neutral wire is open. So I cut the wire exposed to the motor. I cut to 12 inches. Then the other piece of wire, so I trace the then test the other piece of wire that connected to the AC plug. So let's test the neutral. Now the neutral blue wire is okay, so there's a continuity. So this is the cut wire connected to the motor, near in the motor. So let's remove this one. So this is the open. Then joint and splice the wires. So the blue is the neutral, direct connected to the motor, and then the brown is the live. So let's first joint the live. It's connected from the temperature sensor, switch, to fuse, and to the motor. Now the neutral. So neutral is directly connected to the motor. So let's splice it and joint. Then let's insulate, put the electrical tape. Now it's done, then we will close this motor vacuum. Let's test, switch on. Now it's working. Yes, not sure.